Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, you're right, we're doing another spell from the Moon Spell box. So this is the Luck Spell Edition. So this was, I believe, March's box. And so this one, if you want to purchase this now, it would be $19.99, but the current month that we're in, May, that would be $14.99. plus free shipping. So each month is a different spell. So again, not a subscription box, you're one and done. And it gives you everything you need to perform your own spell. So if you are a beginner witch, beginning in your practice, want to check it out, or if you want to add some new spells to your repertoire, this is a great opportunity to be able to customize this spell to your own specific needs. I'm excited, let's get into it. So as always, the shipping is so nice. It's all contained in this box here. This is the spell as well as the ingredients as to what we have in the box. So Luck Spell. This spell is used to bring yourself good luck. It can be for a specific situation or for good luck in general. You may be surprised by what the universe has power to align. So intentions: to be surrounded by lucky energy and to create a path for good luck to follow you. Ingredients list. So this is what is inside the box. Adventuring stone and penny. And then we have the ritual, and then the incantation, and then charging the stone, which we will do after we check out what's in the box. All right. And so you get this cute little pouch with everything in it. And I love the packaging. It's just so to the point. Okay, so here we go. There's the penny. All right. And the adventuring stone here. Cute. Okay, so let's check out this spell here. So the ritual: charge your adventuring stone. Okay, so that's what we're going to do right here at the bottom. So adventuring is used to receive and project good luck. Bathe the adventuring in water and leave it in the sun or moonlight for at least 4 hours. Project your intentions for luck onto the stone during this process. This will completely cleanse and charge the stone. After the stone is fully charged, you may place it near you on a shelf or keep it in your pocket or even keep it in your car. I love this. Okay, so I'm not going to do that right now for the sake of this video. So let's pretend that it is already charged. Okay, and then focus on your breathing and center yourself. Hold the adventuring stone and penny together in your dominant hand, so the one that you write with. So I'm right-handed, so I would hold it in this hand. Okay, and closing your hand around them both. Set your intentions. So the intentions here, so to be surrounded by lucky energy and to create a path for good luck to follow myself. Focus on the situation for which you are manifesting luck and a favorable outcome. So if you are trying to find a job, buy a house, get a promotion, a bonus, whatever those are, lottery, no. You want to focus on that situation. Continue to feel centered, know you are already lucky, and believe that luck follows you. So intention is the biggest part of the hurdle, right? You got to remember that we are allowed to receive, that we are worthy to receive, that we are abundant in and of itself. Still holding the adventuring stone and penny in your dominant hand, focus your intentions onto the penny. Chant the penny incantation 3 times with your eyes closed. Okay, and so this is the incantation. So it says, I send this penny into the world, little penny bring to me, luck and fortune times 3, with this offering I share, good karma to the unaware. So you would repeat that 3 times. Place the penny heads up outside where someone else might find it. Do not let anyone see you perform this step. Carry the adventuring stone with you or keep it in your altar or on a place you'll visit often. Oh my gosh, that's so cute and so simple. So it's something that literally you can redo anytime you feel the need to. And I'm sure, you know, if you need to perform it for someone else, you can ask them to find you a penny and you can do this together. So for instance, if you have a partner and they want to feel like they need some extra oomph for their specific outcome, this would be a great thing to do for them, as long as you got their, permission to do so. But how easy, quick, just amazing that you can just do this all on your own with 2 simple things. So if you are wanting to add some extra luck into your life, if you want to add some extra zhoosh to it, this would be a fantastic little set to do so. And you can even do one better. You can partner this with like a pyrite stone or a citrine. And this would be great to charge any other crystals that you have that you associate with luck to. Carry them all around with you. If you have a specific bracelet that you wear for good luck, charge that with this. That would be fantastic. And then I love the added idea of putting that penny out there, because again, remember, what you put out comes back, right? So everything is energy, everything is reciprocal. So that is fantastic. I think it's adorable. I think it's fun. I think this is something that is definitely a great thing to add into your repertoire if you have need for a luck spell, or if you don't connect to any of the other ones that you've found. This is a simple one to do, and it's very easy to access now. And again, like I said, if you ever need to do it again, you have the spell with you, and you have the stone, or you have access to another stone and a penny. Either way, I think this is great. All of the Moonbox spells that I have received, I have enjoyed. They're simple. They're very easy to do for any skill level, any practitioner level, and everything comes ready to go to use. Everything is packaged really well. Check out the other ones that I have done on this channel, because they're a little bit more involved as far as the spells go, so you can get a little bit more sense of more spell work type deals. However, I love the simplicity of this. I think this is great. And I love the fact that you're just leaving a penny for someone else. That is so fantastic. So have you ordered from Moonbox before? Have you ordered a Moon spell box before? Are you excited to purchase your first one? What spell would you like to do? Let me know all of your thoughts down below in the comment section. Again, thank you so much to Moon spell box for sending this my way. I absolutely think these are fun. What a treat. How easy and accessible. So thank you again. And thank you guys for watching, for spending your time with me. I love you and I like you. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. And don't forget, all the links for this are down in the description box below. So check them out if you haven't done so. Thank you again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.